Hey everyone, welcome back to The Quiet Journey. Today we're at the serene Quarry Lake in Canmore, Alberta. This peaceful spot is perfect for relaxing, enjoying nature, and maybe even a little bit of reflection. As we walk around the lake, you'll notice the clear water, the majestic mountain backdrop, and the calm atmosphere that makes Quarry Lake a true gem. It's also a great spot to see local wildlife, and who knows, you might even bump into a friendly duck or two. So let's take a moment to enjoy the beauty and tranquility of Quarry Lake together. As we walk along the edge of Quarry Lake, the air feels fresh and light, carrying that crisp mountain breeze that Canmore is known for. The lake sits quietly, surrounded by pine trees and grassy hills. You can hear the soft ripple of water against the shore and the gentle crunch of gravel beneath your feet. Looking around, the mountains rise like silent guardians, the three sisters standing proudly in the distance, watching over the town. It's a peaceful spot where time slows down. Families enjoy picnics, photographers chase reflections, and even the ducks seem to move at their own calm rhythm. What's amazing is how nature has reclaimed this place. Once a working quarry, now it's a sanctuary of calm. Proof that with time, even the busiest places can find peace again. The trail around the lake is short, but full of moments. Changing colors in the trees, soft light on the water, and that feeling of quiet connection you only get in the mountains. Whether you're walking alone with a camera or just with your thoughts, Quarry Lake reminds you to breathe, slow down, and let nature do the talking.